Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge from Prince George, and today we're looking at a 2015 Dodge Journey SXT. Under the hood we have a 3.6 liter V6 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy is in white noise. It looks great. You do have the chrome accenting up front with your Dodge logo there. You also have halogen quad headlights right there and your fog lights just down there as well. And coming around the side here we do have our 19-inch rims with our Toyo brand tires. They look great. Rims look awesome as well. Now, coming right up here, we do have our heated exterior mirrors, and coming all the way around to the back, we do have our SXT badging, as well as the Dodge and the Journey. Now we can open it up just right here. We do have our backup camera right there as well. Lots of room back here to store whatever you might need to. You do have some additional storage just underneath there, and you can fold these forward as well. You just gotta pull up on this and fold it forward, and it folds just like that. Then you got even more room. You also have an emergency flashlight just down there. Okay, we got our keys here. We got 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and 2 presses to activate your remote start. Especially nice in the winter, get it nice and warm and toasty for you. You don't have to go outside. Now, if it is locked and you do want, you can just put your hand in here. It will unlock for you as long as you have the key on your person. You can also press the button to lock it if you did want. Now, on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right there. You got your handle with chrome accenting. You also have a leather to put your arm on and a handle here. You also have some storage just down here with a water bottle holder. Very nice interior as well. I like the seats. They look very nice. Very comfortable as well. Very soft. You do have the controls over your lights here. So your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams, as well as your fog lights. You press them in. And right over here we do have our in-cabin light control. Up here we do have the controls over our high beams, turning signals, and our windshield wipers as well, all right there. Okay, let's start her up. So key is in the cup holder. Just gotta put your foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up for us. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have how many kilometers we have on this vehicle, which is 69,000. We also have what temperature it is outside, the gear we're in, and which way we're facing. Now we can switch that around a bit from our vehicle speed to our fuel economy, trip info, tire KPA, vehicle info, messages, and you can turn the menu off if it was too bright for you. Now you have that all controlled from right here with your voice recognition, your call out button for your Bluetooth, horn in the center, and your cruise control options on the other side. And around the back of the steering wheel you do have a volume up and down button for your audio. Now in the center you do have your 8.4-inch touchscreen display, so you have your AM, your FM, and your Sirius XM all there. With your media player, if you have one hooked up through disc, through your USB SD card slot, you have your two aux cord plugins or your Bluetooth. You also have your controls here over your heated seats. You have your controls here over the dual climate system, so you and your passenger can have different levels of hot or cold. You also have your navigation here, so if you hit the view map, you can see that we are on Rec Place, of course. And then you also have your phone options here if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth, and your more for your rear entertainment options. Now you do have your hazard lights, AC, circulation, your your defrosts there, as well as your traction control there. Volume up and down with the power. For the audio, you have your dual climate system here. You have your climate control with your auto and your off, your power, and then the tuner and browser there. SD card slot there, and right here is your CD player and DVD player. Then down here we do have a plug-in. We have some storage there, some cup holders, and when you do shift into reverse right here, you do have that ever useful backup camera, keeping you nice and safe. Now we do also have our armrest here, very comfortable, and you can lift it up just like that. You do have some storage in there with a aux cord and USB plug-in as well. You can slide it back if you did want, and just access it like that. You also have your locking glove box over here with your owner's manual inside of it. And then up top we do also have the controls over the sunroof and our sunglass holder there. And there's our sunroof. It looks great, lets in lots of light. And we also have our universal garage door opener right there. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. Now on the door here you have that same chrome accenting. You have a handle here and some storage down here. Very nice interior as well. Looks fantastic. You do have the same material as the front. And you can fold these down if you did want as well. Just like that. And you got your cup holders there. And then up top here we do have a DVD player, or a media player, sorry. And you can play movies on there, whatnot. You have your climate control up there. And then down here we do also have some plugins for the player. And you can lift this up and you got some storage just underneath there as well. There's our 3.6 liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video, the 2015 Dodge Journey SXT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.